Kia ora, talofa, malolele, mauri, and hello to everyone. This coming Sunday will be a great opportunity for our members that speak in Tongan language to have a sacrament in their very own language, Tongan language. So a Tongan member, they will start at 11. They will start coming to church at 11 and join us in our classes. And after classes, and everyone that don't speak Tongan, then you can go home and have some lunch, tonai, or whatever you guys will have. And for us that speak Tongans, you can continue with our sacrament meetings at 12:15. So it's a great opportunity for us as well that have Tongan friends in our community to invite those all of your friends that speak Tongans to come and witness our sacrament in Tongan language. You know, it's a great opportunity for them, especially the Tongan members. Some of them, they want to learn more about the gospel, but it's really hard for the missionaries because they don't speak Tongans. And for us that speak Tongans, we'll help them if they come to church. And they will help them to understand more about the gospel if you can bring friends. Not only the Tongans one, but even for us that don't speak Tongans, that have Tongan friends around the community, please tell them to come to church and join us. And we will teach them about the Tongan, about the gospel in Tongan language.